Roger Federer, Tiger Woods, LeBron James. Just a few of the athletes that have had their initials turned into iconic logos. These athletes are superheroes to some people. And speaking of superheroes, in this video— What's up, danger? 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 I'm trying to film a video. What's going on? You want a what? A monogram logo. All right, I can take care of it. I can take care of it. I got you, Miles. Practicing the craft of logo design is very important for improving and learning. In this video, I am going to create a monogram logo for my friend Miles here. So what is a monogram? A monogram is a motif made by overlapping or combining two or more letters to form one symbol. Monograms are often made by combining the initials of an individual or a company used as recognizable symbols or logos. The New York Yankees logo is an example of a monogram logo that has become iconic. Where do we start? You know where. When you're tasked with creating a monogram logo, or any logo for that matter, the Sketchbook is the first place you need to go before even touching a computer. Get your sketchbook out and get to work and have a few options. So this is the exploratory phase where you get to explore all the different ways you can combine the letters, do different things, and really play around to where you get to a clear direction so that when you open your computer and you get into your design program of choice, you know exactly what you want to do. They don't have to be perfect. They just need to give you an idea of possible directions you can explore once you get into your design program. With Miles, last name Morales, he's into spiders for no reason at all. So I wanted to combine the M with the M of his first name, the M of his last name, and then have those combined in a way that kind of gives a illustration or a little illusion or a wink at a spider motif. So with a spider motif, you can actually try to create, the spider's legs coming out of a central location, or you can actually depict a spider within the mark. So I'm kind of just playing around with two M's and some type of spider motif. I can also try to use something with webbing, maybe reference the webbing, again, for no reason at all. So yeah, once I've done all this exploring in the sketchbook, then I take it to Adobe Illustrator. Now we can swing into the Vectorverse and get into Adobe Illustrator and take it through my process of taking it from sketch to reality. Sometimes after I finish a logo, I like to see it in some real life scenarios. One way to test a logo out on these types of things is to use... Those are pretty dope. And speaking of dope things, check out this video where I actually take you through the process of creating a old school type monogram for my fantasy football team. Don't ask how we did this season. Now we can swing